what a fight. So here we go, putting it back on my hip.
Come to this corner.
Letting the rod do its thing, letting the boat rock up and down, right? And you're fighting the fish. So when the boat goes down, reel in.
Sorry.
When the boat goes up. Oh, actually, sorry. When the boat goes up, and as it's going down, you're reeling. So I'm not letting it try and pull me to the left side here. I'm gonna stay in the corner. Fight the fish in the corner.
On the noodle rod, huh? On the noodle rod.
Look at it. Ooh.
Yeah, see color.